If you use Outlook email application and you're not the type of person who cleans their inbox every single day or cleans out their emails, they might start to build up over time and they may hit a critical mass where it's so many emails you just don't know what to do with it. You don't have the time to clean it. You think that maybe you have to go in there one by one, selecting them all and then deleting them, and that is making you go insane in your head. You're like, I cannot do that. I don't have time for that. That's understandable. I totally get it. Nobody wants to sit there clicking on each email and then deleting it. And that's what it seems like you have to do sometimes in Outlook, or at least have to, click and shift click to select all. It takes a lot of time. It can be pretty time consuming. And if you're a busy person, you might not have time to do that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly clean your Outlook email inbox and the rest of your folders very quickly, under 2 to 3 minutes. Just a few clicks and you'll have it done. But before I show you that, if you enjoy this video, please drop down below and hit that like and subscribe before you go. It really helps us out. And if you share the video with a friend, maybe they need help with their inbox too, that would be great. It helps bring more people to the channel so they can see these quick how-tos and get help just like you did. And if you need more hands-on help, please reach out to us here at My Computer Works. Cleaning out Outlook inboxes or cleaning out emails in general, teaching people how to do it and showing them easy ways to do it is something we do all the time here at My Computer Works. So don't be afraid to call the number at the beginning into the video or down in the description if you had trouble with this video and you want to clean your email inbox out. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to quickly do this. Now, how I'm going to show this is from the web-based Outlook. It works the exact same on the application Outlook, doesn't matter. What we want to do is use what's called a rule. Now, rules are really nice when it comes to email, especially Outlook. Rules are used to quickly accomplish tasks that would otherwise take us a very long time. For example, we want to delete all the emails. Let's say I want to delete all my emails from December of last year back. What I would do is click 3 dots here for the web application, or I'm showing it here for the regular one. You can go to File and then go to Manage Rules. Either way you do it, go to Rules. Okay, so Rules, Manage Rules. And we'll get this window that gives us the ability to build a rule. And this rule that we're going to build, as I said, I'm going to hit Add New Rule here, is to kind of delete everything that I don't want anymore, everything old. We're going to add a condition, right? So under add a condition, the condition is going to be that everything that came before, and then we're going to go to the little calendar here and select everything that came before December, we'll say 1st. We're going to add an action. We're going to delete those items, okay? And then you check the box for run rule now. And then you can hit save and the rule will run, and everything that you had in your inbox or your entire email before 12/1/2025 will be sent over to the trash can, okay? It depends on where you choose to select the rule from. So you have multiple emails, make sure you select the correct email and then set up the rule and you can do it, okay? Okay, again, and like I said, same exact thing from the Outlook application on your computer. You just go to the rules, manage rules, build it the way I showed, run it, and you'll be good to go. It's going to clean your inbox out for you. No work done. You saw that was just a few simple clicks. Took a minute, 2 minutes for you. No problem. It'll run the rule and do all of that hard work for you. If you've been having troubles with your email or deleting emails out of Outlook, you've just been spending a bunch of time on it, I hope this video helps. Again, obviously I just showed from my example, that time and date you can do whenever you want and go back from there, okay? Thank you for watching the video, everybody. Again, I really hope it helped. If it did, hit that like and subscribe down below, and I will see you all on the next one.